Want to make your Facebook account private so only your friends can see your posts? Here's a step-by-step guide. First, open the Facebook app and tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings to access your account settings. Next, scroll down to Default Audience Settings. This section controls who can see your future posts. Tap it and change the setting to Friends, then confirm your selection. This ensures that only people you've accepted as friends on Facebook will see your posts, photos, and updates. You can also review other privacy settings in this section, such as who can send you friend requests, who can look you up using your email or phone number, and who can see your friend list. Adjusting these will further protect your account from strangers. And that's it, you've successfully made your Facebook account private. From now on, only friends will see your content. If this helped, tap like, comment if you updated your settings, and subscribe for more Facebook privacy tips.